this guide, we are going over how you can get unlimited money here in The Sims 4, whether you're on a PS4, PS5, Xbox, and PC. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First, in order to do this, you have to open up the cheat console. If you're on PC, hit Control Shift and C on your keyboard. This is going to open up the cheat console up in the top left, just like so. If you're on a controller, just press and hold all four of the trigger buttons down at the exact same time, meaning L1 and L2 plus R1 and R2 on PlayStation, or LB and LT, as well as RT and RB on Xbox. The cheat console will appear, and then from here you need to type in testing cheats and then space true to enable your cheats. Now from here, all you have to do is type in whatever money cheat you want. You could type in something like money followed by 999999 to get the max amount of money you could possibly get. Or what you could also do is type something in like motherlode, and I believe this gives you $50,000. I've just reached the max amount of money though, so can't really get any more. You can look up any cheats that you want, but it really is as simple as that. The money's going to appear instantly in your household funds, and that's really all there is to it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.